Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on Android. So for this, first of all, go for your settings, then go for here sound, then you can see here phone ringtone sim 1 because I have two sims on my mobile. Then you can set any kind of sound from here. Okay, then you can also set ringtone for your another sim card. So yeah, this is how you can set sound or ringtone on Android. Another way, you can set a music as a ringtone. Go for your music app, then choose a music. Okay, if I go for here, then here cheated option and tap on uses phone ringtone. Now you can set this for sim 1 or sim 2. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can change ringtone on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.